Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Color Lab. This engaging puzzle game challenges you to sort vibrant liquids into separate containers. Your primary objective is to ensure each glass holds only one distinct color, testing your logical thinking and strategic planning across many levels. To begin, simply select a glass to initiate a pour. You can transfer liquid into another glass, but only if the top colors are identical and there is sufficient space. Remember, an empty glass is a versatile tool, as it can accept any color, opening up new strategic possibilities. To excel, always try to plan your moves several steps in advance, anticipating how each pour affects your options. Empty glasses are crucial. Use them as temporary holding spots to rearrange colors effectively. You can also earn helpful in-game props by watching short videos, which can provide a significant advantage on challenging levels. Color Lab offers over 2,000 unique stages, providing endless hours of fun and mental stimulation. You can also challenge your friends in exciting live confrontation modes, competing for top scores and bragging rights. Plus, personalize your experience by unlocking various skins and earning rewards as you progress through the game.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.